and putting on some new Bosch ICONs. These are the Bosch and these are the Duralast. They look almost identical. Almost identical, with the exception of the Bosch has this cover over the clip. The Duralast does not. The rubber does feel softer on the Bosch. All you do is pinch this little piece here and you slide it up like that and it clips right on. Okay, these new wiper blades are extremely quiet, which is what I want. That don't mean they're going to be quiet in a few months. We'll find out. Even dry, these are very quiet. This is a post inspection of the Duralast blade. It looks like the integrity of it over the last 7-8 months is fine, but for some reason this thing just skipped horrible. So let's see. You know, a closer look, I don't really see any deterioration of the blade, but if you look right here, you can see how it looks like the rubber is about to disconnect from the plastic. It doesn't. It's not seated up into the plastic like you would like. All else looks okay. The plastic itself doesn't really show any UV damage, and the curvature of the blade on the Duralast has maintained itself. So I'm not sure why these Duralast blades have skipped, but the Bosch, I have never had a problem with these Bosch Icon blades skipping. And on my Jeep Wrangler, this Jeep right here has had Bosch Icons on it for over a year, and these things work great. They don't skip, they work almost like brand new. This is what I took the Duralast blades off. They only lasted a little more than 6 months. You can look at the other video on that. And I replaced them with the Bosch. So we're going to see if they hold up as long on here as long as they did on here. Walking to my other fleet on the Jeep XJ, I did go back with some Duralast Aereo truck and SUV blades. Now these are unique. These are a little different. They're made a little different. And if you look real close, you can see that the blades are different. They've got these little jagged edges on it. So we'll see. That so far they're working okay, but they've only been on there a couple of months. And on this car, this Kia, we actually put some Bosch blades, Bosch Envision blades. They're not Icon, they're Envision. And these have been on here for almost a year, and they're flawless. They work great. So far, the Bosch is doing real well. Duralast, back shot of the Jeep. Now on the back of this Jeep, I went with El Cheapo. It's a Rain-X brand, but I don't really care. The other one was just destroyed, and I didn't want to scratch the window. So I hope this helps. I mean, wiper blades are expensive. A set of these Bosch Icons is almost $40. Now AutoZone always has some type of special on it, so I've been getting the little gift card that you buy two, you get a $10 gift card. So, and AutoZone's